My vision is that it's going to be part of a series that I'm working on, which has to do with the river, the lake, reflections in the water, and the things that are like leaves and things that are in. I said those words a year ago while recording a completely different video. I didn't finish the painting back then. I just stopped and set it aside. This canvas has been waiting for its moment for an entire year. A few weeks ago, in the quiet of the studio, I finally pulled it back out. I began adding paint here and there, letting the colors and the brush tell me where to go next. It wasn't until I shared a quiet progress shot on Instagram that I realized this wasn't just a water-inspired painting. It was giving off pure Monet vibes. The trouble was, I hit a wall. It sort of felt finished to me, but there were sections that I thought needed more work. Now, even after painting for all these years, I can't tell you how many times I've overworked a painting. I'd take process photos with my phone, only to go back through my camera roll and say to myself, "Oh, I should have stopped here." I needed to walk away before I overworked this one. To figure it out, I had to do something completely out of character for an introverted artist. I had to leave my studio. Stepping out of my cozy home always feels like a bit of a leap. But the AGO has a way of quieting the world. Walking through these halls, there's a hushed quality that feels so familiar. It's the same quiet I chase in my studio, but here, it's shared by everyone who stops to look. And then, there it is. Seeing Monet's water lilies in person is a bit of an awe-inspiring moment. There's a layer of history here, a reminder that the same atmosphere I've been chasing in my home studio was captured by someone else, in another century, with the exact same quiet intention. Watching the scratchy footage of him painting in his garden, I'm struck by how similar our artists' worlds are, even over 100 years apart. He wasn't blending every edge. He was placing pure strokes of light onto the canvas and letting the eye do the work. Standing there, I finally understood what my own canvas had been asking for. Back in my studio, I'm seeing this painting with completely fresh eyes. As I work, I think back to that footage of Monet, and I'm filled with this deep sense of connection. I truly believe the heart of an artist's work is always intuitive. We aren't copying what we see. We're translating what we feel. Now I see that this painting was almost finished a year ago. It waited patiently for me to return to it. It just needed time and space. And I needed that trip to the art gallery to finally see it clearly.